Hi guys, welcome back to my OFTV channel. I'm Marie G and I'm here with a very special guest.
Hi, I'm True Kate.
Me and Kate today are doing something really exciting. We are going whale watching. So we're here in Long Beach and we're about to do a whale watching tour.
Come with us. Let's see what we find.
Alright guys, we just stopped and we are officially on the hunt for some whales. So we're hoping to see some. Kate, what kind of whales do you want to see?
Orcas. I want to see a humpback whale.
Oh.
You know what type of whale I want to see? I want to see the whale that comes out of the ocean.
I really want to see some dolphins too, so hopefully we'll see some dolphins.
Yeah. Well, we just saw a fin whale.
We saw a fin whale, it was huge, and we're seeing a bunch of common dolphins. So this has been really exciting so far. It's really chilly, but we're still looking for more.
We have a lot of shots of dolphins. They came really up close to the boat, and they seem really just beautiful and graceful.
They're very beautiful. This is so cool.
I almost jumped in to go swimming with them.
Kate almost jumped in.
I'm ready. Take me. Take me to your underground city. Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, goodness. That's a big boy.
So as we've been doing the tour, as the boat speeds up, all the dolphins also speed up. So they love to surf waves and they're actually just having a lot of fun. That's the sole purpose of that, because they're very smart.
Yeah, it's called bow riding. And they're very agile underwater. And I just Googled if it's safe for them, and it said that most dolphins don't get hurt in the process, that they actually are very agile underwater and they enjoy it. And there's so many dolphins all around us.
And we also hear like a lot of whistles and clicks, and that is the dolphins communicating with each other. So they're all friends. We also have the fin whales, and we're kind of curious if they're friends too. So kind of have to see as that unfolds.
I think that they all kind of coexist like we do with humans. Like we're all around with humans here, but we're just like not interacting with them.
We also saw sea lions. So the sea lions were so adorable. I want to own one.
I had so much fun. This was such a beautiful experience, and I am definitely going to go whale watching again.
We loved it. We had so much fun.
Now let's go have a glass of wine.
All right, guys, we just finished our whale tour. It was so cool. Kate, what are some of the things we saw?
What did we see? We saw a ton of sea life. There were dolphins, whales, and we saw a fisher whale, a minke whale, I think it was called.
Minke,
tons of dolphins, California sea lions, birds, and I think that's about it.
Yeah, we saw the biggest whales we saw were fin whales. They were giant. And then the dolphins, there was like so many dolphins.
Yeah, there were thousands.
Tons of dolphins. The ride there was super choppy. Okay, there was some seasickness going on, but the ride back was really smooth. It was such a beautiful tour. It's so pretty here in Long Beach, so I'm really glad we did that.
Yeah, thanks for inviting me.
Thank you for joining me.
It was so much fun.
And make sure you check out our links below to see more of us. Bye, guys.
Bye.